Hello everyone, welcome to Edgewise Hobbies. Today we're going to talk about polishing your 3D prints and how we're going to do that with a polishing compound. As you can see, it already has a shine to it, and that is from the several coats of clear coat gloss. But I want to see if we can put a little bit more shine onto it. So what we're going to do today is start off with some Meguiar's cleaner wax polish. I will leave a link in the description below so you know where you can get some of this stuff. So all we're going to do is get the pad that it comes with, some coat with, and we're going to start swirling around our 3D print model. We're going to get the whole model pretty much covered into this stuff. Once we're done with the polishing compound, what I do is take a microfiber cloth towel and start buffing in the wax. Just really start getting around, start smoothing out the areas. You want to get all that wax pretty much clear. You really want to start getting all that buffed in. Since we're coated the whole model with it, we're going to go everywhere. Just keep on going around and try to get all the spots that you remember putting the compound on. So as you can see, just one coat and it already has an improved shine to it. You can actually see how glossy it looks. It has a really nice coat to it. But I wanted to see if we can do it a little bit better. So I decided to repeat the process. So once I was done doing it again, I decided, hey, let's do it a couple more times. So all in all, I repeated the process about 10 times. So this is what it looks like about 10 coats later. As you can see, I like it, I really do. But I decided, well, let's get the Dremel involved. And we started playing a little bit more with the Dremel. So I decided to go on a low setting, and as you can see, it did okay for a little bit. But then I noticed that it started to do a little bit of etching. So thankfully I did it on the back side. I think what happened was the RPMs were just too fast for it, and I think it was melting the actual coating layer and was actually starting to scratch, and I could not get those buffed out. So if you decide to go the Dremel way, you would want something with a little bit lower RPMs and probably a pad that isn't as abrasive. I think the pad was probably too abrasive for this type of project. But at least I fed my curiosity of what it would look like if I actually use that. What I probably might do next is use a car buffer. But if you guys would like to see me do that, let me know in the comments. But all in all, with my final wipe, it looks pretty good. I'm actually very happy with it. Would I do it again? Yeah, I would. But if you guys want to see me use different compounds or different models, let me know down below. This is something I did enjoy doing. Even the model looks really nice. I'm glad I went with polishing it. So yeah, I would consider this a home run. Pretty happy about it. So remember, if you like this content, please like and subscribe to my channel, and we're gonna keep this going. Well, that about do it, everyone. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.